I do like to add glitter to my stuff as well. I mean, it's all up to you really what you want to do with this look. Okay, so now you can either keep the stickers like this, or we can just take them off and see how it looks. I'm pretty sure you can like save these. If you want to be a little bit more extra, you can outline the hearts. To make them stand out more. I have this Urban Decay Pyro, right? I don't even know, but it's from Urban Decay, and it's this pretty white glitter that I'm gonna apply on the little hearts. Some of the little hearts, not all of them, because I already have a little bit of glitter right there. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I really wish I could find that eyeliner, the white eyeliner, but it's probably not gonna happen. So let's just keep going. And I mean, this really, you can do whatever you want with it. You don't have to get too crazy. And if you want to add eyeliner, you can get a little fluffy brush and kind of soften that look, that eyeshadow line right here, so it's not too harsh.
But be careful with your hearts. You can add a little bit of like shimmer. You can add it up here. Like I said, just be careful with your little hearts. Apply it wherever you like. So let's just finish off doing our eyeliner. I'm gonna do the eyeliner kind of just small because of course we have these little hearts and stuff. Just because I think this eyeliner makes my eyes look a little bit bigger. Now if you have nice beautiful big eyes, then you don't even have to worry about that. Just go straight to your eyelashes. I don't know, what do you guys think so far? And this look will look so bomb with eyelashes, of course. I'm not too sure if I want to put on eyelashes. Now, if you think that the bottom is a little bit too like, just go ahead and add a little bit. That. Now I usually use the Sky High mascara, but they have ran out. I guess you can say TikTok has made everybody buy it, which is really good. I love it, but I couldn't find it, so well, not that I couldn't find it, but they didn't have it anymore, so I decided to just go ahead with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this one's pretty good too. I mean, it gives you length or whatever. I like the other one because it gives you like falsy eyelashes, but this one will do the job too. It's just this one's a little bit more clumpy, I guess because it's new, but it's all good. This one kind of reminds me of the what is it called? Benefit Bang mascara, but this one's way cheaper. It was $10. The Bang is like, I think it's 30. I'm not too sure, but it's around there. So see, this is what I don't like, that it starts getting really clumpy because it's brand new. So I usually take a a baby wipe and I just clean it off a little. I don't put it back in. I just work with what I have already on my eyelashes. This is the only thing I dislike about this mascara when you first use it, is that it makes a freaking mess. I'm gonna go back in and I'm not gonna go back in. Okay, I am gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in and try to highlight one of these hearts with white. Just a little bit. I'm not too sure how long my makeup is gonna last today. Today it's gonna be we're gonna see. We're gonna test it out. See what I mean? How clumpy it is? God. Well, I thought we were doing good until this mess happened. Just ignore this part, I guess. I'm gonna finish off with my highlight. I'm gonna be using Milani highlight palette. And I'm gonna be using the pink one because it just makes sense to use pink since we're doing pink everything. And I like to just rub it in with my finger. Like this. So this is what I have so far. Like I said, you can add the falsies. It's gonna make it extra cute. For lipstick, I'm gonna use this Maybelline in Loyalist, and it's called, I think it's called Color Stay. No wait, it's Super Stay Matte Ink. So anyways, this is my Valentine's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's something simple. All you have to do is buy yourself these little hearts from Walmart and then put them on wherever you want. Put an eyeshadow over it and then just peel them off, and that's it. You can do whatever you want. You can do outline the hearts with white, which I couldn't find my regular liquid eyeliner. So yeah, that didn't work out, but you can add glitter, you can add, you know, whatever you want. This is just a little idea that I'm giving you guys. Like I said, this is a little extreme for some people, so I mean, to each their own. I like to stand out, so that's it. Anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day.